Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to find your Gmail account using your phone number. If you forgot your email address, this method will help you recover it easily. So let's get started. First, open Chrome on your phone or PC. Now search for Google account and open the official page of Google. Tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now tap on Add another account. Here, tap on Forgot Email. Now enter your phone number linked to your Gmail account. After that, enter your first and last name. Now tap on Next. Google will send a verification code to your phone number. Enter the code to verify. Once verified, Google will show the Gmail accounts linked to that number. Now you can select your account and log in easily. So this is how you can find your Gmail account using your phone number. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.